It's the weekend and it's been another big week for AI. There are some cool updates coming to Google Bard, some quiet changes rolling out in Bing Chat, and some exciting news about how AI is quietly changing our jobs. Before we jump in, please make sure to hit the like button because most people don't realize how hard it is to make videos like these. So it really helps us out. Thanks. Okay, first up, Apple has unveiled plans to upgrade their search engine with AI-driven features. We've seen them testing and refining conversational search for a while now, which allows users to engage in back-and-forth dialogue with the system to refine their searches. Apple is even experimenting with a feature called Instant Answer, which provides immediate answers to questions based on the latest web results. This could change how we interact with search engines. Instead of keywords and links, we might use full sentences and get direct responses. But unlike Chat, which pulls information from different internet sources, Apple's approach uses real-time web data, ensuring the most current information. Apple is also mindful of privacy concerns. Unlike Google, which tracks user data across multiple services, Apple keeps information local to the device unless users opt into sharing, giving users more control over their privacy. So, what does this mean for you? Well, we're likely months away from any major changes, but if you want to test out similar features right now, you can try conversational search on iOS or iPadOS 17 betas, or play with instant answers on the Apple TV. These AI advancements by Apple come after years of speculation about their AI strategy and could signal a significant shift in how we use search, especially considering Apple's commitment to privacy. As always, though, only time will tell how this plays out. Next up, let's chat about Meta. They had an eventful week in the AI world, starting with the launch of Llama 3, their latest open-source large language model. Now you might be thinking, Meta, isn't that the company behind Facebook and Instagram? Well, yep. But lately they've been diving deep into AI stuff, and Llama 3 is a big step. Compared to their last version, Llama 2, this new AI model is way more powerful, capable of handling complex tasks and lots of different topics. What's cool is that Meta isn't keeping this AI tech for themselves. They're releasing it to researchers and developers to use and adapt for various purposes. This model could end up being a building block for many cool applications. It's all part of Meta's strategy to share and refine AI tech, which they hope will lead to more innovation and responsible use across the industry. But that's not all. Now these moves by Meta show a clear strategy to become a major player in the AI world, not just by creating impressive models, but also by opening them up for wider use and integrating them into popular apps. This makes AI more accessible for developers and users alike. And speaking of AI in the workplace, here's a fascinating trend that's flying under the radar. A survey of 10,000 global leaders found that almost half have embraced AI tools to support daily tasks. The adoption rate among individual contributors is even higher, with 82% using AI on the job. This includes drafting emails, summarizing meetings, and staying organized. It's clear that AI is becoming a trusted colleague. But here's the interesting part. When asked about the impact of AI on their roles, employees are optimistic. They believe AI will free up their time for more strategic and creative work. However, there's a catch. Managers aren't as convinced. They see AI mostly as an efficiency tool. This gap in perception highlights the need for better integration and training. Companies are going through an evolution, using AI to optimize workflows and enhance productivity. They're also investing in upskilling initiatives to help their staff thrive in this AI-powered era. This quiet revolution in the workplace shows how AI is changing the game. By doing things that used to take humans much longer, AI frees up our time for more engaging tasks. It's all about adapting and thriving in this AI-driven future. Also this week, OpenAI rolled out some exciting updates for Chat and its API. First up, Chat now offers code execution capabilities. You can write code snippets directly in the Chat window, and OpenAI's new interpreter will run them, complete with a terminal interface. It's like having your own coding buddy that can execute simple commands, handle basic errors, and even explain code blocks. Plus, you can now upload up to 100 files to Chat for analysis and response. This is great for things like reviewing documents, extracting info, or even brainstorming. Overall, these updates make chat a more powerful tool for programmers, researchers, and anyone who wants to interact with AI in a more dynamic way. Now let's explore some interesting ways that artificial intelligence is finding its way into everyday apps, making them smarter and more engaging than ever before. Take Grammarly, for example, a popular writing assistant. Now powered by AI, it helps users improve their grammar and style in real time. It can correct typos, suggest better word choices, and even check for plagiarism. Another great example is Calendly, which uses AI to analyze your schedule and preferences to find the best time for meetings. It considers factors like your availability, time zone, and even the other person's schedule. Then there's Otter, which uses AI to transcribe and summarize your meetings. It's like having a personal secretary that takes notes and creates summaries, so you can focus on the conversation. Also, if you're a fan of word games or just love playing with language, give AI Wordle a shot. It has a fun twist on the classic game Wordle where an AI bot tries to guess the word you're thinking of. It's challenging and entertaining. And finally, it's an AI-powered tool that helps you manage your tasks and stay organized. It uses natural language processing to understand your to-do list and prioritize your items based on importance. These examples show how AI is making apps more helpful and personalized, saving us time and making our lives easier. And finally, let's chat about something really cool. Generative AI. The tech that powers tools like chat and image generators is getting more and more fun. Have you heard of it as an experimental app that lets you create your own artworks by just describing what you want? Let's say you want a cyberpunk cityscape, just type it in and watch the AI paint a picture of it. It's crazy how realistic and detailed these images are. If you're into poetry, there's which uses AI to help you write poems in different styles. Describe a feeling or a scene and let the AI craft the verses. You can even remix existing poems to create new ones. Now for music lovers, there's with this tool, you can hum a tune or describe a vibe and the AI composes an original piece in whatever genre you like. It's like having an AI band that can play anything you want. These apps aren't just for artists. They're for anyone who loves to play with creativity and technology. They show how generative AI is becoming more accessible and intuitive, making it easier for people to express themselves and explore their creativity. Wrapping up, AI is everywhere, quietly changing how we work, play, and live. It's not a far-off thing anymore. It's in your phone, your computer, and your daily apps. People around the world are discovering new ways to use it every day. The big question is, how do you want to be part of this AI story? Are you ready to learn more about it, try new things with it, and shape the future with it? Whatever your answer is, remember one thing: the future is being written right now, and it's happening in a quiet, exciting way.